Okay, dear students, exercise 6.3, triangle chapter, question number 12. What we are given in the question, let me read it for you. Sides AB and BC. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle, okay, are respectively proportional to the side PQ, okay, and QR. Of course, AB proportional to PQ and BC proportional to QR and median PM. Here the name of the median we are given PM is a median of triangle PQR. We need to prove that triangle ABC and this PQR, they are similar triangle. Okay, so first of all let's note down what we are given. We are given AD is the median. AD is the median of triangle ABC. Okay, and PM is a median. You can see PM is the median of triangle PQR. Agree? This we are already given. Now what we have to prove? Beside this we are given AB proportional to PQ. Then we are given BC proportional to QR. This also we are given. Fine. And one more thing we are given, this median AD of this triangle is proportional to this triangle PM. This we are given. Now let's note down what we have to prove. Okay, so please mention to prove. In this question we are given to prove that these two triangles, means triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle PQR. This we need to prove. Okay, let's see the solution, means let's see the proof of this. For the proof, what we have to do, we will begin with triangle. Suppose we know that BD, you can see BD is a half of BC. Agree? BD is a half of BC. Reason behind that, this is the median. Median divides this side into two equal parts. Okay, so of course BD equal to 1/2 BC according to the given information. Okay, then can I say same way for this triangle PQR, QM is half of QR. Very simple. That is also we are given because of the median. PM is the median, so of course QM, the measurement of QM will be the half of full QR. Clear? Then this two if I compare, also what we are given, this already we are given, this AB upon PQ, which will be equal to BC upon QR and AD upon PM. This also we are given. Now what we are going to do with this information, we are going to put the value of BC. You just see, now we are going to put the value of BC here. BC equal to 2 into BD, cross multiplication, and same way I am going to put the value of QR here. Okay, let's see in second part. Exercise 6.3, it's a question number 12 in continuation. In the last step, we have seen AB by PQ, BC by QR and AD by PM, they are equal. Okay, now let's put the value. So AB upon PQ equal to, as I explained you, in place of BC I am writing 2 into BD. Same way in place of QR I am writing 2 into QM. This is double of that, and that is third is AD upon PM. These are the ratio of their median. Of course 2 cancel. So what do we have the result? AB upon PQ, which will be equal to BD upon QM, and of course AD upon PM. For this triangle, these two triangle we are proving they are similar. So by which criteria? Therefore, by side criteria of similarity, by the side criteria of similarity, we can say that triangle ABD congruent to triangle PQM. Agree? Therefore, can we say angle B which will be equal to angle Q by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle? So, also we can say that, along with that, we can say that AB proportional to PQ, and of course BC will proportional to QR. AB proportional to PQ and BC, this side is proportional to QR. Therefore, here you can see by which similarity? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So we need to write by SAS criteria. We can say that by SAS criteria of similarity, we can say that triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle PQR, which is a required result. Exercise 6.3, it's a question number 13. Let's see what we are given in the question. Okay. D is a point on the side BC. D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC, this angle will be similar to BAC, this full angle. This angle will be similar to this angle. This we need to prove such that already we are given. We need to prove that CA square, it will be equal to CB into CD. Okay, so let's start. From where we will start? We will compare two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DAC. ABC full triangle and DAC, this triangle. Okay, now what we are having in this triangle? Can I say angle BAC which is equal to angle ADC, and beside this angle C equal to angle C. C is common in both of this triangle. Okay, so by which criteria? So by angle similarity. Angle criteria of similarity, we can say that triangle ABC which is similar to triangle DAC. This we have proved. These two triangles which we have taken, they both are similar. Now if they are DC, these are similar. Now what we are given here, observe, BC upon AC. In the question it is given. So AC upon DC. BC upon AC. AC upon DC means we are choosing this much of ratio of this triangle. Okay. Now observe this carefully. Now can I write here? This BC means CB according to the what we have to prove, and this CA AC same thing. CA, and this DC means CD I can write. Now cross multiplication. Let's do the cross multiplication. Then CA into CA will give the result CA square, that is equal to CB into CD. This is a required result what we have to prove. Clear to you? This is the proof what we have to prove in the question. Okay dear student, now exercise 6.3, it's a question number 14 I am giving you in homework. Okay, you just try by your own as similar as we did in question 13. Same application, you have to prove similar triangles over there. Okay, now we will see question 15. Let me read the question 15. What we are given, most important for the exam purpose. A vertical pole of length 6 meter. This is the pole. AB is length of a pole 6 meter. Fine. So let's note down AB be the vertical pole. AB be the vertical pole. And it's a length we are given. The length of a pole we are given 6 meter. Further, what we are given, it casts a shadow. Obviously, shadow will be here. The pole is vertical and AC will be the length of the shadow. So we need to write here AC equal to. So AC is the length of a shadow, that is 4 meter. Fine. Now what we are given, at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter. Here is the shadow. 28 meter shadow if it cast, then what will be the length of the pole? We have to find the height of a tower. This is the tower actually. This is the pole AB and DE is the height of a tower. So please note down DE is the height of a tower, which we are not given. So let's assume let's take DE equal to, can I consider it as a x meter because it is not given, and DF, of course DF is the length of the shadow of the tower, that is 28 meter, that is already given. Now what we are given, what we can do here, you observe carefully. Here angle C and angle F, they are equal. Angle A and D, they are forming 90 degree. So angle A equal to angle D, this is 90 degree. Agree? Beside this, C and F must be similar, forming a same angle with the ground. So by AAA criteria, this is angle, this is angle. So can I say by angle criteria of similarity? This criteria of similarity, can I say triangle ABC which is similar to triangle DEF? If these two triangles are similar, now observe carefully. If these two triangles are similar, can I say AB upon DE which will be equal to AC upon DF? Right? Because due to the similarity, these two triangles are similar. So let's put its a value. We know very well the value of all this already with us. So I am putting its a value. Let's see here. So it will be, this is AB 6, this is X, of course AC, that is 4, and this DF 28. Let me make a subject to X. So this will be in cross multiplication. This 4, of course you will say 7 4 ja and 6 7 ja 42. 6x equal to 42, and what we assumed, x is actually the height of a tower. So we need to write, therefore height of a tower is 42 meter. Simple, very easy question, right? Okay dear students, now let's see exercise 6.3. It's a question number 16. Let me read it for you. If AD and PM, you can see in the figure AD and PM, they are the median of a triangle ABC and PQR respectively. We are given ABC and PQR, they both are similar triangle. We need to prove that AB upon PQ, this side is proportional to this side, and of course AD median is proportional to PM. This we need to prove. Fine. So let's start. First of all, what we are given in the question, let's note down. Given, we are given AD and PM. AD and PM, they are the median. These two are the median. What they are? They are the median of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. This already we are given in the question respectively. Fine. Beside this, we are given triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle PQR. This also we are given. But what we have to prove? The important thing to prove is, according to the question, we need to prove AB upon PQ, which is equal to AD upon PM. Clear to you, beta? Now let's see the proof. This much already we are given. Now we are starting really what we have to do. Now we are going to compare two triangle. Which two triangle? Triangle ABD. ABD, this much portion. So it is equal to, and triangle according to that PQM. PQM. These two triangle we are going to compare. In this triangle, can I say B and Q, they are similar? Angle B equal to angle Q. What is the reason? How can I say? Under which condition? Because ABC similar to triangle PQR already we are given. This we are given, that's why we are able to say these two angles are similar. Beside this, can I say AB upon PQ? That will be, what is AB? AB is a, can I say, half of BC? AB equal to PQ and BC upon QR. BC upon QR, they are in proportional. This we are given. So in place of AB, this is comparison. 1/2. Why I'm not nothing I am doing, because as I know BC upon QR, these two are in proportion. I am only multiplying and dividing by 1/2. Fine. And 1/2 BC, it's a value you know very well. The 1/2 BC, its a value will be BD. So AB upon PQ, this side already with us. 1/2 BC, the value of this will be BD, right? And 1/2 QR, 1/2 half of QR, that will be, of course, you will say QM. So this is very important result. Okay, let's see further in second part. Exercise 6.3, it's a question number 16. We are continuing. Now, as we proved last in that AB upon PQ. This already we have proved AB upon PQ, which is quite equal to BD upon QM. Fine. So, under which criteria? You can see by side angle side criteria of similarity. What could we say? We can say triangle ABD, which is similar to triangle PQM. If these two triangles are similar, then can I say AB upon PQ? Let's compare all three sides. AB upon PQ, which will be equal to BD upon QM, and of course it will be the proportionality to medium, AD upon PM. So next step, we can say AB upon PQ, which will be, this will be equal to this, AD upon PM, which we need to prove. So it is proved. Clear to you, beta?